Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today's date is Saturday, April the 28th. The last video that I did on this was back on the 23rd, which was 5 days ago. So I thought I would just give you a very quick update on these and the progress in 5 days. You can see in the last video we only had the starter leaves coming off here, and now you can see these nice extra leaves have started on all of the plants. We've got one here, a second one starting here. On this one in here, we've got one, little one here, little one over here. But you can see a lot of progress in 5 days. I'll just turn this around and look at the root system now compared to the last video. Very impressive. And today I'm going to be transplanting all of these Jiffy pods into new containers. So I'll just tilt them up so you can see a little bit better. You know, look at the root system, pretty amazing. But these really need to be transplanted today. And I still have approximately 1 month before I can actually start planting in my garden outside. So because of that, I think I'm gonna go with a larger little container like this. And I think that's going to do very, very well. I'll just show you the size comparison so you can see how large the pot is compared to the plant. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill one of these up. I'll plant this off. You always want to remove this. Some people do, some people don't. I like to remove this little membrane or netting, and that just lets the root system just grow a little bit better. It stresses out the roots much less if you remove this little netting. And then I'm just going to get that in there, and then I'm going to water it. So I'll do that, and I'll be back in a minute or so. So I filled up my little pot here with some potting soil, and I just very gently just grab the membrane and remove it. Nice and easy. If the Jiffy pellet starts separating on you, just apply a little bit of pressure at the bottom so it doesn't rip off too much. Nice and easy. Just going to remove that. There we go. And then just get that right into its new home. Might go down a little bit deeper here. I think that's good. I'm just going to cover that up. I'm going to add a little bit of soil to the top of this just to get it right up. And then you want to water this again. So on my next video, I will keep you updated. I'm going to show you, a little bit more progress, maybe in a week or so, and we'll see how these plants are doing. So I've got a bunch more to put into the little containers here, and I'll do that. And then on next week's video, I'll give you a little bit of update on these plants. So that's it for today's really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you do subscribe, there's a brand new notification bell right beside the subscribe button. If you click that, you'll be notified in your email each time I upload a brand new video. And if you like to bake, check out my recipe channel over at Bake Like a Pro. That's youtube.com/bakelikeapro. And the Facebook page that I have that goes with that is facebook.com/bakelikeapro. So that's it for today's video, and I'll catch you on the next one.